Hello friends, I am Vishwanath Tiwari, Professor Electrical Electronics Engineering, SIRT Bhopal. Today I want to discuss in the error in current transformer. What is the error in the current transformer? There are different type of errors occur in the current transformers. Our like name is the instrument transformer. We have already discussed about instrument transformer. There are two type of instrument transformer. Number one is current transformer and second is potential transformer. So today I want to discuss the what is the reason occurring in errors in current transformers. What is error? About error for an instrument transformer, it is necessary that the transformer ratio must be exactly equal to turn ratio and phase of the secondary term voltage and current must be displayed by 180 degree from that of primary turns voltage and current. So we are very known about ratio or transformation ratio. We have to define the transformation ratio uh, k equal to E1 by E2 upon V1 by E2 equal to N1 by N2 equal to V1 by V2 equal to I2 by I1. So here the transformer having two types of error affected instrument transforms like ratio errors and phase angle errors. In this slides, I have already defined about errors for an instrument transformer. It's necessary that the transformation ratio. So transformation ratio is equal to V1 by V2, E1 by E2 equal to V1 by N1 by N2 equal to V1 by V2 equal to I2 by I1. And turn ratio is called V1 by V2 equal to N1 by N2 is called turn ratio or E1 by E2 equal to N1 by N2 is also called a turn ratio and phase angle of secondary terms. So two type of errors affected in instrument transformer, ratio errors and phase angle errors. One by one we have discussed what is phase error and what is ratio error and what is the phase angle error. First of all, we have to discuss ratio errors. What is ratio errors? Cause of ratio errors in practice, it is said that current transformer ratio I2 by I1 is equal to the turn ratio of N1 by N2. What is not equal? Because magnetizing and core loss component of existing current. It also affects the due to secondary current and its power factor. Similar in case of PT, voltage PT means potential transformer. Voltage ratio V2 by V1 is not equal to N2 by N1. Due to factor of mentioned above, such an error is called ratio error. So this is the cause of occurring error in transformer because transformer having the different type of losses. Like if we want to if we want to divide different type of uh, losses in transformer, like main having two type of loss. Number one is core loss and number second is ohmic loss. Core loss again classified hysteresis loss and eddy current loss. And the magnetizing losses, core is magnetized and demagnetized, that is called magnetizing losses. And eddy current losses, which current is flow, which is occur when current is flow in the body of transformer at the time of working. So ratio error is occurring different type of issues like ratio I2 by I1 is not equal to the turn ratio N1 by N2. ठीक है ना? Next, in case of potential transfer, V2 by V1 is not equal to N2 by N1. That is the reason which is occurring the ratio error in current transformers. Second, phase angle error. In phase angle, the error is defined as percentage of errors nominal ratio minus actual ratio, bracket kilos upon actual ratio into 100. If it is represented in terms of ratio error, is Kp, nominal ratio is represented by Kp minus R upon R into 100, where Kp is the nominal ratio and R is the actual ratio. Phase angle error, phase angle error in power measurement, it is must that the phase of secondary current is to be displayed by exactly 180 degree from primary current for CT. Similarly, secondary voltage is exactly 180 degree displayed by primary voltage of VT. What practically is not so, error inter, introduced due to this effect is called phase angle error. It is defined as by angle theta. The phase angle is given by theta equal to 180 upon pi, bracket close, bracket start, I am cos del minus IC sin del upon NIS degree. If is want to discuss, theta is the phase angle error, pi is the value of pi, and Im cos phi is also called a magnetizing component which is magnetized the core, and IC is called a working component which circulate the losses in the current transformers or the instrument transformers. This is the all about of errors occur in the current transformers. Thank you for watching.